it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today we're here with ST1. Yes, I hope I'm saying the name right, my G. ST1 with Reggae Night. Yes, ST1 with Reggae Night. Big up AMR Beats. Big up yourself, my G. I believe I hear production this. So I'm going to jump in the one and see what I go on, because I don't know it's a Reggae Night, you know, a Reggae Night. So I'm going to see what I go on. I'm going to see what I go on. Let's go.
Yeah. Oh, my baby, yeah, it's Reggae Night, yeah.
Reggae Night.
It's Reggae Night. Come on, baby, baby, when you hold me, I need you to love me.
Remember say every day at Valentine's Day, you know? Remember say every treat you love us good every day, you know? I don't want day a week, you know? I don't want day a month, I want day a year, you know? What
It's Reggae Night, yeah. It's Reggae Night.
Big people so
come on, baby, baby, when you hold me, I need you to love me. Let me rock sweet vibrations to your melody. Baby, I need you here tonight. Oh, now. Baby, when you call me, I feel it, I need you to come soon. Oh, my baby, yeah, it's Reggae Night, yeah. It's Reggae Night. Come on, baby, baby, when you hold me, I need you to love me. Let me rock sweet vibrations to your melody. Baby, I need you here tonight. Oh, now. Baby, when you call me, I feel it, I need you to come soothe me. I feel it in your spirit that you're the one to move me. Let's rock, cause it's Reggae Night.
If you have here today, you can relate.
And we can rock to the reggae, groove to the reggae, yeah. Vibe to the reggae, dance to the reggae.
I appreciate good music, Chocolate. Now I need to put it in the comment section. If you like good music, real music, music with longevity in it. You know what to do.
It's Reggae Night,
yeah. I need you,
it's Reggae Night. Come on, baby, when you hold me, I need you to love me. Let me rock sweet vibrations to your melody. Baby, I need you here tonight. Oh, now. Baby, when you call me, I feel it, I need you to come soothe me. I feel it in your spirit that you're the one to move me. Let's rock, cause it's Reggae Night.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, now. And we can rock to the reggae, groove to the reggae, yeah, yeah. Vibe to the reggae, dance to the reggae, oh my God. We can rock to the reggae, groove to the reggae, yeah, yeah, yeah. This is reggae night, oh night. I love the way your hips sway. Keep it moving and moving and moving to my space. I'm loving your vibe, you see the smile on my face. You got me on cloud nine, so high. Baby, when our eyes meet, my heart's beating and beating, cause you are my wife.
When you're in love,
baby, hold me and don't let me go.
when you're in love, separate things up to the money.
Baby, hold me and don't let me go. No, yeah. Now we can rock to the reggae, groove to the reggae, yeah, yeah. Vibe to the reggae, dance to the reggae, oh my God. We can rock to the reggae, groove to the reggae, yeah, yeah, yeah. This is reggae night, oh night. And we can rock to the reggae, groove to the reggae, yeah, yeah. Vibe to the reggae, dance to the reggae, oh my God. We can rock to the reggae, groove to the reggae, yeah, yeah, yeah. This is reggae night, oh night. Baby, when you hold me, I need you, I need you, I need you to love me.
Feel good music.
Let me rock sweet vibrations to your melody. Baby, I need you here tonight.
Alright.
Oh, now. Baby, when you call me, I feel it, I need you to come see me. I feel it in your spirit that you're the one to move me. Let's rock, cause it's reggae night. Oh, night.
Yeah, man, what do you think about that one, yeah? I like it very much. ST1, big up yourself, my G. ST1, big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself. Before we go tonight, I have something I want to show you, my G, stills. I want to show you something, stills. Let me see if we can get that. Yes, all right, cool. All right, so right here, so you have ST1 Reggae Night, which is the title of the song. Cool, that's fine, that's perfect. All these that's here is not necessary. All these hashtags are here, it's not necessary. These can actually go down in the comments, in the description. But because you don't have anything in the description, and you also don't have the comment section turned on. So what you need to do, my friend, is go ahead like you edit the video. When you edit the video, if you scroll down a little part, it's gonna mark this right now is tick made for kids. You have to untick the part where say made for kids. Let me see if I can quickly show you. Let me see if I can quickly show you. Oh, me attack. Boom, 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 boom. Go yasso. Upload a video. Try to get any video. All right, so we're gonna say boom. So that part you put in your title and ray. All right, this is where you have to put your hashtag them in the description, right? So all these stuff that's here, take them off and put them right there. So just put them right there. So and them are gonna show up. See? All right. So that's one. That's one thing that you need to do. You can pause the video and go back to the video if you need to. The other part where you need to change is this section right here. Change this section. You have it on, yes, it's made for kids. You don't need that because the comment section are going to automatically turn off. See me? What you need to do is mark, no, it's not made for kids. So people can comment. You understand? So people can go and drop a comment on your on your video, you understand? And then you continue and upload the video like that, see? So yeah, take those things into consideration, my friend, and all is good. All is good. You see me? But yeah, nice tune. What you guys think about the song though? I'm gonna pin the song in the comment section. Hopefully by then him can turn on the comment section so one can see what I go on and go over there, go show him some support. And drop a sub on him channel also. You see me? Yeah man, tell him that JAMAICA'S game and send it over there. You see me? So yeah, ST1, just take my advice and watch the video carefully at the end and do anything for the right to say. You see me? But yeah, big up myself, solid chat, I like it. Anything to do with reggae, it's always a classic. Come on. Reggae just live long. Reggae is just that genre that live long. Reggae song them can never get old. So yeah, good street to the pan, my G. Good street to the pan. Big up yourself, my elder. Alright? Apart from that, bad song. And I'll catch you guys in the comment section. For real. I'll be down there. Alright? Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.